All right, so it is my 5th day here in Lisbon, and today we're gonna take a boat tour and kind of learn more about the city. So let's head on out. All right, we out here. This is our boat pulling up. We're gonna do a boat tour. I think we might have a private tour because they canceled and rearranged our ticket several times. So this might just be for us at this point. We'll see. I got white port and tonic. How's your wine?
The white wine, regular white wine. Pretty good, it's not sweet.
Good. Cheers.
Cheers.
It was made by the American Steel Company also.
Okay.
So it's very, very similar.
Yeah, it's a beautiful bridge.
It was built by a dictator that we had.
Okay.
And it was called Salazar. And that was the first name of the bridge. Bridge Salazar.
Okay.
Always the dictators put their names to the stuff they built, right?
Yeah.
And then we had the peaceful revolution that was in 1974.
Okay.
And we went from a dictatorship to a democracy.
Yeah.
And that was on the 25th of April of 74.
Oh, nice.
And they changed the name of the bridge to Bridge 25th of April.
Nice.
So it's the date of the revolution.
But it must be super tall, because I mean I've seen the huge cruise ships over here.
Yeah.
So they can go under this bridge.
I'll tell you the height. I'll Google it.
Okay. Look over here, we have the Jesus statue, and we've got some more like local village type thing here or something maybe. It doesn't actually look like it's inhabited. Yeah, so this bridge is 70 meters tall, so definitely the cruise ships can fit under this bridge easily. That's crazy, that's really tall.
Together, and they provoke this kind of white water.
Okay.
So that's why it's called the Sea of Straw.
Oh, because it looks like there's straw on the water.
And it's always revolving and kind of with little waves and...
Nice.
And
so this is like a fishing village or like a market or something?
It was.
Okay.
Now they are abandoned, unfortunately, because of the evolution of fishing. You know, they didn't cope with the evolution.
Uh-huh.
And you have all these buildings kind of falling apart. But apparently there's a big group that bought all this area. This is a prime location because the sun sets over there all the time.
Oh,
So
nice.
you have always an amazing sunset over here. And if you see, the Christ has the palms of the hands turned to Lisbon.
Yeah.
To bless the city of Lisbon. Okay?
Is this smaller than Christ the Redeemer, or it's the same
it's
size?
almost the same.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So all these gaps here, that's from landslides from these storms that happened in February. Wow, look at this big old cargo ship here. This is the life. It's so windy. Nice.
Over here we have the Tower of Babel.
Is this one?
The entrance of the river. This is the only place.
So this is the Museum of Art, Architecture and Vermont. Plane spotted. Look at this old ship. They're building some sand animals. This is cool. I like this gold one. He's like a little animal. Oh, and there's a mermaid. Look at the lions. I got the red fruit cocktail. Vivi got a beer. Cheers. Now we can cheers. You're getting a bib. I got lamb and it came with some fries. She got the seafood rice and she has a bib with it.
Wow, it's been it's the cutest thing ever.
This is some good lamb. Okay.
Cabriolet, sweet rice, chocolate mousse,
Okay.
cheesecake of caramel, salty caramel,
Okay.
cookie cake, and flan.
What's this one?
Meringue.
Meringue.
Almond pie.
I got cookie cake and Vivi got some flan. This is so nice. It tastes like tiramisu.
Homemade
Nice.
cherry liqueur.
Ooh, homemade.
Enjoy
Wow.
it. It's a pleasure.
We're spoiled.
That's my dear.
Thank you. Obrigado. Hi, I hope you enjoyed watching my day. I put out new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to my travel blog and come with me as I plan to visit every country in the world.